nag-iinom kami one-on-one. I was asking him, masama ba akong ina? Sabi niya, bakit naman? Kasi I just found out that I have postpartum. And then my mom, she's always mad at me kasi I'm not taking care of my kid. I can't even understand myself. Kasi hindi nga ako totally healed. Hindi ako fully healed. Yes. After that, what happened na Michael left me. Lahat ng tao nagagalit na sa akin. Nasabi, pabaya ako, ganyan. And then, me also, I can't understand myself. Naiyak ko.
Go lang. It's okay. Love you. Okay lang yan.
Parang ano.
Okay lang yan.
Yung makeup ko dahil.
Proud yung mami mo. Ganda ng makeup mo.
Ako lang to. Ako lang to, B. Huwag kang ano.
My mother, I love my mother.
Kailan ka nagkaroon ng realization na kailangan ko ayusin yung buhay ko para sa ano?
You need to love yourself first. Kaya yun yung una kasi yun yung pinakamahirap ibigay. Pwede nila ako i-judge as a person. Pero ako as a friend, grabe ako magtrata ng kaibigan. Family talaga. Darating ako ng bahay, gabi na, nakatabi na siya sa parents ko. So growing up until now, nasanay siya, nandun siya nakatabi.
Even motherhood, it's really a learning process. We all learn every day. Hindi madali maging nanay.
So if naiiyak ka, if nasasaktan ka, damdamin mo lang. Let it flow. Kasi kapag hinip mo yan sa sarili mo, darating yung time na sasabog at sasabog ka.
Ito si Erin, siya yung taong ayaw umiyak. Sa totoo lang. Sorry, tinatawanan kita.
Pangat-pangat ko pag umiiyak ako. Tapos sa camera, ano to?
Ang ganda mo.
Nilagay ko na rin sa isip ko na this is not about me anymore, diba?
Yes.
This is about Kiel. You're not gonna allow anyone apak-apakan ka lang, disrespect you, say things to you na alam mo na masasaktan ka. Let God be the driver of your life. Dadaan at dadaan ka sa path na masasaktan at masasaktan ka. Why you just let go and let God?
To you and so I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty. Celebrate you. Your life and story. Celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me. Celebrate you. Your courage drives me. Celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. It's Mother's Day here.